Go home happy with the 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross. Ready to enjoy comfort and efficiency on every drive? Then you're ready for this smart and stylish Toyota Corolla Cross. Versatile, convenient, practical, and affordable, it comes loaded with peace of mind. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers. Creature comforts blend with smart practicality in this no-nonsense Corolla Cross. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.